Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix you cannot change commentary language on FC24. So if we go on settings here and if we go on game settings and audio, we can see that this option is grayed out. So what you can do here, first you need to go back on the game settings here and then here select language, and then here you can see what commentary languages you can change. Of course, depending on the region, countries will be different, but for me, in my particular case, I can change to English, French language, Dutch language, Italian, Spanish, Netherlands, Swedish, Norwegian language, Danish language, and more. So what you can do here, once you found out the languages that you can change. So let's say I want to change to Polish language, right? So you need to completely close the game. Then you need to simply go to a search and then just write registry editor on search. And then you need to go to expand this option local machine. And then you need to look for eSports, expand this option, then select eSport FC, then select this option locale, and here you can change to the country code. So I got the codes here. Let me first open that up. And I will leave these codes in the description below so you can check it. And if I don't, just remind me in the comments. I want to change to Polish. So as you can see here, Polish code is PL.PL and press OK. And as you can see here, there is a bunch of different languages. You can stop the video and just get your code, or simply in the description, it will be the code here. So once you do that, then you need to run the game and the language will be changed. So I will pause the video and I will be back when the game is ready. And I forgot to mention, after you enter the code to registry editor, you need to go to the game, then you need to go to manage and repair, right? And after it's done, you need I will basically load the game and I will show you basically that everything now is changed. So guys, I'm in the game, and if I go to accessibility option here, and if I go to, I believe, this option here, as you can see here, commentary language is changed to Polish, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.